Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the hip flexor stretch. The hip flexors are a group of muscles that perform this general action. Okay, people with back pain, people who sit a lot, people with office jobs, people who drive a lot tend to develop a tight hip flexors. So a great way to release that is to do a hip flexor stretch. So you have a mat or a soft surface, a support like a chair or a table. Come down like this. Split the leg. Okay. Knees on the floor. Use your toes to support yourself. Bend this leg. Hold for support. And you lean forward. You're going to feel a stretch right in there. Okay, you're not bouncing like this. Just hold the stretch. And when you're ready, use this leg, use this arm to push out of the stretch. Switch over. Knee on the floor. Toes are bent to support you. Bend this leg. Forward. Torso upright. Look straight ahead. Going to feel that stretch right in there. As you get better and better, you should be able to go down lower and lower and lower. Okay? No bouncing. Gently push out of it. Okay.